Welcome back to Cars and Bikes Updater. Today, we're taking a close look at the stunning 2025 MV Agusta F3 800, a motorcycle that perfectly combines Italian design with thrilling performance. For 2025, MV Agusta has refined the F3 800, keeping its aggressive styling while making key improvements under the fairings. At the heart of this Supersport beast lies a 798 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 147 horsepower at 13,000 RPM. With a top speed of around 150 miles per hour, this bike is built to dominate both the road and the track. The counter-rotating crankshaft, usually found in MotoGP bikes, reduces inertia and enhances cornering stability, making the F3 800 one of the most agile middleweight bikes out there. It features a lightweight tubular steel trellis frame, fully adjustable Marzocchi front forks, and a Sachs rear monoshock to provide razor-sharp handling. Braking is just as refined, with high-performance Brembo calipers and Bosch ABS with cornering functionality, giving riders confidence in every situation. MV Agusta has also taken rider tech seriously for 2025. You'll get a vibrant 5.5-inch full-color TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity with MV Ride app integration, riding modes, launch control, quickshifter, and an 8-level traction control system, all working together to offer a premium riding experience. One of the most eye-catching updates is the bold new yellow color option. It brings a fresh and aggressive look to the F3 lineup, ensuring it stands out even more against its red and black competitors. Whether it's parked in a showroom or tearing up a mountain road, the 2025 F3 800 looks absolutely stunning. Now let's talk price. This masterpiece of Italian engineering comes in at $23,298 in the US. While that's a premium price tag, you're getting top-tier performance, cutting-edge electronics, and exotic styling in return. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 MV Agusta F3 800 the king of middleweight sport bikes? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching Cars and Bikes Updater, your go-to channel for the latest in 2- and 4-wheeled machines.